Okay, so earlier last week we learned about multiplying two expressions like this. So one of the methods we used to do this was called the area model. And in the area model, that's where we would draw our box and we would make one side of the box one of the products and the other side the other product. We could multiply them together. So we would split up this 3x minus 2 as 3x and negative 2. And then we would split up the 2x plus 7 as 2x and 7. And then we would multiply and find the area of each little box in there. So 3x times 2x would give me 6x squared. 3x times 7 would give me 21x. Negative 2 times 2x would give me negative 4x. Negative 2 times 7 would give me negative 14. And then we would add up all the individual little rectangles to get our final answer. So 6x squared plus 21x minus 4x minus 14. Combine our like terms, and we end up with 6x squared plus 17x minus 14. So that was the first method that we learned how to like simplify something like this. The other way we learned would be called the extended distributive property, or it's really just the distributive property. Distributive prop. So that would be if we had 3x minus 2 times 2x plus 7. Now, let's go back to our area model and think about what we're actually doing. Well, when we were looking at this area model, we took 3x and multiplied it by 2x, and then we multiplied it by 7. That's essentially what's happening in the extended distributive property. You need to distribute this 3x to the 2x, and you need to distribute it to the 7. So we end up with 6x squared plus 21x. Then we took this negative 2 and distributed it to the 2x and to the 7. Same thing here. This negative 2 gets distributed to the 2x and to the 7. So you end up with the same thing. Again, you need to combine your like terms. You end up with 6x squared plus 17x minus 14. Again, it is the exact same thing. This is just like a little bit quicker to do if you can visualize what's happening. But essentially, like this 3x needs to be distributed every term, and this negative 2 needs to be distributed every term. Hope that helped. Thanks, guys.